Now you're having trouble starting your vehicle and you think it's a dead or weak battery? Come on over here and check this out first. Now over time, these battery terminals can become loose. You need to tighten them up. Now we have power. Now with this battery cable loose, let's go ahead and just pull it off. All this crud down here, you need to clean that off as well. Now to clean this, you can just use sandpaper. Retighten the battery cable and then